The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County in southeastern Indiana, southwestern Dearborn County in southeastern Indiana, Ripley County in southeastern Indiana, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Versailles, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Versailles, Milan, Osgood, Dillsboro, Moores Hill, Sunman, Holton, Cold Springs, Outer Village, Friendship, Versailles Lake, Benham, Farmers Retreat, New Marion, Rexville, Cross Plains, and Olean. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.